Animating text on Final Cut Pro is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to load the project that you want to add the text or you want to animate the text for. Now you're going to go to the left side of the screen, you're going to click on this T icon, it's a text icon. Now you're going to choose the type of text that you want to add. Let's choose energetic, and let's just place it here. Now you can see once we place the text, you can see it on the preview screen. We show you how to clear cache on Final Cut Pro, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget the text shows on the screen. Now what you can do is you can choose or pick or highlight the text in this case, and you go to the far right of the editor screen. It says show or hide the transition browser. You're going to click here, and this is where you want to add this is where you want to drag transitions and add to the text. So um let's choose this, and then we're going to put it on the text. So as you can see, it's been dragged on the text. Once we play it, I will show you how to clear cache on Final Cut Pro, and if you find this video helpful on the text. Now you can also drag the transition to show as much as you want it to be. Now that's how to animate text on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.